Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. You see the notification. This notification comes when you receive a phone call. Unblock device microphone. The unblocks access for all apps and service allowed to use your microphone. Cancel or unblock. Very easy to solve this problem. Just follow the process. We go to settings. Just click settings icon and you find privacy and you see the two options which are disabled. You just enable both of two options, microphone and camera. Your problem will be solved. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you benefited from this video, you just hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share, and stay tuned.